Alright, next I'm going to show you how to use the internet and how to do the folders application on your new iPhone. Okay, I just showed you the weather channel. Alright, the other thing is the internet. Okay, the internet is a little Safari button down here at the bottom of the phone. Let me focus on it. Right, Safari, you press that. It'll automatically bring up your internet. You probably won't have this little debug console, no errors thing. I don't know what that is. I've never seen it but on Jessica's phone. But from here, the URL right here at the top of the phone is where you would type in your address. So like, let's say we were going to, you would click on the little X to make it blank. Okay, let's say we're going to www dot methodist.edu, and that would be the school website, right? And we would just click go, and it'll automatically load the school website. Now this is just like having a real computer, except for there's no mouse. You just click on everything. Now to zoom and shrink the screen, you take your fingers in a little pinch like this, right? And you put them on the screen and you open them up. That's zooms. To close or to unzoom, you just close your fingers. Right? So let's say we wanted to look at what these blue words said. We would just put our fingers on the screen and open them up. Okay, and we can still scroll and see that. Now to go to something else, we just click right there on the thing, and it'll automatically open it up in a new web page. And once it loads, you can do the exact same thing with the zoom on the web page or not, right? And Jessica's phone just had an error, so it closed out of it. But you could actually, if we can load it back up here. Alright. Okay, now what I just did, and I'll show you. Sorry it's so bright. There we go, that should be better. Alright, now what I just did, alright, and I'll show you. We zoomed. Okay, it's down here at the bottom right. There's a little button with like two windows. You click on that, it'll automatically open up your other windows. Alright, so you can see all the windows that you have open on your internet browser. Now to close a window, you just click the little X button, and it'll close the window and go to your other window. So let's do that. And it'll automatically bring up the other window. Now to reopen a new page, you just press new page right here. Right. And it opens a blank window for you that you can type in your URL, or you can Google something directly on your internet. To bookmark a page or see your history or see any of your favorite pages, you just click on the little icon down at the bottom right that's next to the pages, and it'll open up all of your saved websites and whatnot. To get out of it, you press done. And once you're at a web page, you can press the little add button right here, and that would save that web page to your favorites. Okay, and you can also view a web page long ways and upright as well. So, okay, and that's your internet use, and you can use that all the time, even with 2 gigs. That's just about 10,000 websites visited. So I wouldn't worry about using too much internet. You can use your internet all the time. Okay. Let's go ahead and get out of that. Now, to use a folder, let me drag these out. So your applications are going to be all dragged out like this. Okay. As you can see at the top of the screen, Jessica has her applications in what's called folders. Okay, to create a folder, you're gonna click and hold on one application. Okay, and all the applications are gonna start getting all shaky. Okay, you're gonna click and hold it and drag it and drop it on another application. Now it already names the application for you, or the folder. I'm sorry, the folder for you, so you don't have to do that. And to add more applications, you just click outside the folder, click and drag other applications right there into the folder. To take something out of a folder, you click on the folder itself, click and drag outside the folder. And that's how you do folders. Now, to stop getting the applications all shaky, you just press right down here on the home button and everything goes back to the normal. To delete an application, like this iHandy level that we showed you in the third video, click and hold, and you'll see there's a little X at the top left of the corner of the application. Let's say you don't want the application anymore. You press that little X. Let's say delete iHandy level. You press delete, and the application is now gone. Press the bottom button, the home button, and everything goes back to normal. And you are back to pretty much square one. If you have any more questions, or if you want to know how to do anything else, you let me know, okay? Alright.